Alright, this video is going to show a way to connect to other players on different networks. I've used this to connect and play with a teacher from a completely different school, and it's a great way to have teachers and students play together, since sometimes teachers are actually on a different network. It can also be a helpful way for students to control who joins their game, instead of having their game be listed on the Friends tab, where anyone on the network can see it and join it. You can actually turn that off so it's not visible on the network, and the only way for someone to join your game is with the server and your IP address. Then you can just share that IP address with players that you want to be in your game, and other students won't be able to find it. So if you don't want other players to see your game on the Friends tab, before you load the game, you click on the pencil on the side, and you go to multiplayer and you turn off visible to LAN. I mean, it's still going to be a multiplayer game, but no one's going to see it on the Friends tab. They'll only be able to find it by typing in your IP address. And then you can just play the game. And to get your IP address, you just need to press escape once the game loads, and it'll show it in the top right corner. So if I press escape, it says up here my IP address is 192.168.1.12. You could just display the IP address for them to type in, and then you should see them start populating the list here. So that's how you set up the hosting of the game. So to use the IP address to join someone else's game, usually you wouldn't see them on the friends list, but if you go to Servers tab up at the top and then Add Server, you can name it anything you want. In this case, I'll just type in test, and then the important part is the actual server address. That's got to be the address of the host computer. So to connect, again, I would type in that server address, 192.168.1.12. It's important to note also that that can change from day to day. So just because you create a server to connect to your teacher on Monday, Tuesday, that teacher's IP address could be different. And so the teacher may need to update that and just share the new number. Once they have saved it, if it changes, the next day they could just go to edit and adjust the IP address. But once you have it in there, you can then just click on it like a normal game, and it takes a while, but it should connect to their game. And once you do that, you should be able to play in a game together. We have had some connection issues with students not logging off correctly, or even certain machines not connecting with each other very well. But hopefully you could use that to play together even across different networks. So hopefully that helps.